Despite infrastructural challenges in Dhaka, Air India has operated a special charter flight at short notice. It has carried almost 199 passengers and 6 infants from Dhaka to Delhi. The plane has landed in Delhi this morning. That's the latest that's coming in at this point of time. Shubh Rana on the telecast with me. Shubh, we're learning at this point of time that an Air India flight has landed in Delhi. 199 passengers, including 6 infants, have landed this morning. This, of course, comes, after External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar in Parliament yesterday said that approximately 19,000 Indians are estimated to be living in Bangladesh, of which 9,000 are students and most of them are back. But if you give our viewers an understanding on where exactly this plane landed.
Yes, definitely, Sabri. Flights have landed, today, 12:45 in the midnight. And, when these flights have landed, Air India have operated a special chartered flight at short notice despite the infrastructure challenges at Dhaka Airport. And, the last night it happened and it carried 199 passengers along with 6 infants from Dhaka to Delhi and landed in Delhi early this morning. And what we are learning at this point of time is that another flight would also go around 3 p.m. and not only Air India but also Indigo is also operating scheduled flights to Dhaka today, as there have been insurgencies in the Bangladesh, and therefore to rescue the Indian citizens who have been living there. And not only Indians are coming but also the Bangladeshi citizens who have been there are also coming through this flight. But the top priority of the government is to bring back students who have been studying from there. And there have been also Vistara and Indigo will also operate their scheduled flights on Wednesday to Dhaka, which is also witnessing a volatile situation amid protests. And more flights can come today itself. Sabri, we are waiting for more details to come, but 3 p.m. is the time when another flight could also come. Also in the evening, one more flight is scheduled by Air India and Vistara to take out the people who have been, who have been hampered there with all this political insurgencies, Sabri.
Sure, of course, sure. But if you could also give our viewers an understanding, what are our sources telling us? What is the situation looking like in Bangladesh? Under what circumstances has this flight taken off and then, of course, landed in Delhi?
Definitely, the situation have seemed to be, very sensitive in the area, because as our foreign minister, Minister Jaishankar have also stated in the parliament that there have been sensitive issues and also Hindu temples are being targeted there. So therefore, in order to protect them, and as Indian students have been studying there, 9,000 students is the data which we are learning right now.
Are the students who have been stuck in Dhaka, and they have to come to India, and this is the top priority of the Indian government to bring them back. So therefore, to ensure that they have to come back, because if we talk about the border areas of the Bangladesh are completely sealed, as the CM Mamata Banerjee have also stated that they are ready to cooperate with the central government amid all the all the things which have been happening in the there. And we are also reporting live from Hindon Airport, where Sheikh Hasina have been staying since more than 40 hours have been passed when Sheikh Hasina have been inside this Hindon Airport. And what we are learning from our sources that she could be moved to another country. Meanwhile, the clearances are being awaited, Asabri.
Right, absolutely, Shubh. Of course, you're there at the Hindon Airport where Sheikh Hasina is currently living. But, of course, we know that NSA Ajit Doval had, of course, met with her as soon as she landed. There were reportedly 2 government VIP cars that were also seen moving around the airbase. If you could give our viewers an understanding on whether there has been any movement.
Yes, definitely, Asabri. We have been reporting here since last, the last 40 hours. team is standing here. But what we are learning right now, right before me, is the Hindon Airport where Hasina have been staying. But also with that, yesterday 2 VIP cars were seen here when a security advisor Ajit Doval had a word with Hasina, and he have also briefed the matter. But since now we are running into diplomatic ties, because Hasina have been very friendly with India, and the diplomatic ties with Bangladesh and India have strengthened in her period. So therefore, what we are learning right now is that Ajit Doval have met her, and also yesterday there was also all-party meeting in which Jay Shankar have also briefed all the ministers regarding what needs to be done, all the security checks, and Hasina Sheikh would be staying here till the time till UK and the country where she wants to go, Britain, till it doesn't give clearances. Sheikh Hasina would stay here only. But what our sources are telling is also that a safe place would be searched for Hasina, where she would be taken off, because it's been more than 40 hours when she have been in India, and it's a long time, and we are looking after what are the alternatives, because since now there would be new government formation in Bangladesh, and in order to maintain good ties with our neighboring countries, India is looking for its negotiations, Sabri.
Right, absolutely, Shubh. Of course, you're there at the Hindon Airport. If you could give our viewers an understanding on whether there have been any sort of security arrangements that have been established over there. What is it looking like at this point of time?
Yes, definitely, Asabri, since media is not allowed to go beyond this point where these buses are going, because since this is airport, the air officers are going inside to to do their basic things. But Hasina have been kept in a very safe place inside Hindon, and it is also very confidential, and the media is not allowed to go beyond this line. But Asabri, what we are learning from our sources is that India is looking for another safer space for Sheikh Hasina, because she have been here since more than 40 hours. Also, Ajit Doval had a word with her. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also closely looking into this situation, as it have now become an international matter, because since Sheikh Hasina have been the Prime Minister with Bangladesh for more than 15 years, and not less than 15 minutes it have taken for her to come to the national capital. So therefore, it is an unusual situation which we are also preparing for, and the diplomatic talks have been happening with the Bangladesh government also. And what we are learning at this point of time, that another safer space is being searched for Sheikh Hasina, because 40 hours in this Hindon airport, and then what's next would be are the details which are being awaited, Asabri.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.